Cloud automation is very powerful, but for many companies there is simply one question: where does the data go? With IONOS Cloud nodes for n8n, you can automate real cloud operations like infrastructure, DNS, and certificates, and even build AI-powered workflows using the AI Model Hub. And the best part, n8n can run wherever you want. You can host it yourself on an IONOS VPS if you wanted to, so that your workflows, credentials, and automation data all remain fully under your control. And that makes it a really strong choice for companies that care about sovereignty, compliance, and predictable infrastructure costs. In this video, we're going to explain what these n8n nodes are and what you can do with them. Hi everyone and welcome. Today we're going to cover what n8n is, what the IONOS Cloud nodes are, what you can automate, and a few real-world examples including AI workflows. The key idea is simple: automation that works in real life and stays under your control. First, a quick overview. n8n is a workflow automation platform. It lets you connect steps visibly, like building blocks. A workflow can start with a trigger, like a schedule or an incoming request, and then automatically execute tasks across systems. It's popular because it enables API-based workflow orchestration across business systems, IT operations, and cloud infrastructure, all while giving teams full control over where the automation runs and where the data lives. In n8n, a node is basically a connector, like an integration. The IONOS Cloud nodes are connectors that let n8n interact directly with IONOS Cloud services. This means instead of doing cloud tasks manually, you can build repeatable workflows that manage your infrastructure for you. These nodes cover services like infrastructure, including servers and Kubernetes resources, DNS configuration, CDN management, certificate management, and AI services through the IONOS AI Model Hub. So they turn IONOS Cloud into workflow building blocks that you can then automate. So what can you actually automate with these nodes? Well, let's take a look at a few key examples. You can start and stop servers automatically, create environments, and manage resources, great for cost savings and operational efficiency. You can automatically update DNS records during migrations or deployments instead of changing them manually. You can manage certificates and automate renewals to reduce the risk of outages. And you can use AI in workflows, for example, summarizing support tickets, classifying requests, or extracting important details. And the reason that this all matters is that automation is increasingly connected with sensitive systems and data. Especially with AI, many companies want to make sure that their workflows are built with data sovereignty and compliance in mind. And that is why combining n8n with IONOS Cloud nodes and the AI Model Hub is a strong approach. You can automate, innovate, and still stay in control. So, in summary, n8n is the automation platform. The IONOS Cloud nodes connect directly to IONOS Cloud services. This allows you to automate infrastructure, DNS, certificates, AI workflows, all whilst keeping a focus on sovereignty and control. Thanks for watching. See you next time.